super easy to assemble. It's detachable. It has the scalp massager, the 3 different levels. Easy, pretty long. We'll buy it in, and the filter is in here. So yeah, my skin has been nice.
Okay, I just got it up. Thing to turn it on. I'm not real impressed with the difference in the color here to there. My old shower head was like all one color, but neither here nor there. I'm gonna turn the water on. Alright, so there's one. Looks like a middle. You got your handle up here. There's 2. Lets out a lot of water right there. And then there's 3, which is around. You see it's got the rubber part on the back. Looks like it has pretty good pressure to it. It's supposed to be high pressure. Looks like it's got some pretty good pressure to it. But that's the 3. Like I said, I'm not real excited about the difference in the color there. But it says it's a high pressure shower head, and that it is. It does put out a good bit of pressure, especially for me having low pressure here at my house.
No, estaba viendo lo del celular, o sea, el otro y me pareció la promoción.
Por eso, lo del celular, ¿de quién? Para ti.
Sí, estaba viendo lo del Infinite y como estaba viendo lo del Infinite,
It has a few settings for spray, spray with a little power to it, and then a real power spray. But it goes pretty long.
¡Yeah! ¡Señor!
Oh, honey, it is up already. That didn't take long at all. Let's hope it works well.